So I welcome you back to another interesting class on our 1688 China importation, and in this part of the training you are going to learn how to run the setup of your 1688 app after you have successfully downloaded it. Now before you can run the app successfully, you need to have iDictionary on your phone installed. Right here you can see my iDictionary. Okay, so the next one is that you need to have your 1688 app installed just like this, and I'm very much sure that you have already installed the 1688 app and then you have successfully installed your iDictionary. So now the first thing we need to do right here is to head over to our iDictionary. We need to make it active, or we turn it on. So I'm going to click on my iDictionary. So after you're on your iDictionary, you have to tap on here, look up. Alright, so it takes you right here. So next thing you need to do is to click on this rolling circle button. Okay, so you click on that, then your iDictionary is going to be on. You can see it here, Now once your iDictionary on, it means that this app is ready for use. So we can exit from this app and then we head over back to our 1688 app. Alright, so we're going to look for our 1688 app right now. Okay, so at this point here, this is my 1688 app. So what I'm going to do next is to click on the app icon. Then this is going to load up. Okay, now you see what you have right here, and this is the reason why I asked you to download iDictionary. So it allows you to translate this app from Chinese to English. So what you need to do to translate what is written right here, just drag your iDictionary all over the text. Now in some cases it may ask you to set up a permission. So at this point here, just click on set permission. So when you click on set permission, it takes you right here. Then just tap on anywhere around here. Then it takes you right here. And then what you need to do right here is to make sure that after you click on allow, it means that this app is ready for use. Then you can exit from the app. And we have to go back to our 1688 registration page here. Okay, so we have to drag it all over the Chinese text. So it gives you a quick translation from Chinese to English. Okay, so you can see we update the 1688 based on the latest regularity requirement. So this is just an information and terms of using this app. Now what you need to do right here is just simply click on here just to proceed to the app. This is just the latest version of the app. Then at this point here, click on allow. After you click on allow, then you can just tap the top right here. Tap the top right here. Then it takes you back here. Then next thing you need to do is to tap the top right here. Boom. So you can see you have fully accessed the 1688 app. Okay. So this is how you can run the setup of 1688 app, step-by-step tutorial. If you have any question for me, let me know. But if you don't have any question for me as far as the running setup of 1688 app is concerned, so let's go to the next lecture. Thanks for watching.